How to calibrate the left and right angle, deviation of an in-C press brake. During the bending process of the torsion bar press brake, the angle on the left and the angle on the right are adjusted by the lead screw inside the hydraulic cylinder. The lead screw inside the cylinder controls the downward depth. When there is an angular error between the left and right during bending, we need to adjust the stroke of the lead screw inside the cylinder to ensure the synchronization of the lead screws so as to guarantee the synchronization of the angles. If the angle on the right side is 90 degrees and the angle on the left side is 91 degrees, then we need to disconnect the Y-axis connecting rod to make adjustments and adjust the Y, one side to 90 degrees as well. How do we adjust it? First, raise the machine tool. Move the Y-axis up to the top dead center, then turn off the power. Next, we disassemble the connecting rod. Since the angle on the left is 91 degrees and the angle on the right is 90 degrees, it means the left cylinder needs to move down a bit to compensate for this 1 degree error. If you are bending thin sheets, a 1 degree error is roughly equivalent to 1 full rotation. Normally, when the machine leaves the factory, the connecting rod is assembled with screws and keys. If you rotate it normally, both cylinders are adjusted together. Now we are adjusting the left cylinder individually, so we need to disconnect this synchronization connecting rod first. Remove these 2 hex screws. Move this connecting sleeve to the left and disconnect the connection. At this point, the connecting rod is independent and its connection to the motor side has been disconnected. Since there is a 1 degree difference on that side, you need to rotate it 1 turn counterclockwise downward. Then reconnect it and reinstall the screws. Install the screws. Installation is complete. This side has been rotated 1 turn counterclockwise, individually adjusting the stroke downward by 1 turn. Now you can bend again and check if the angles are the same. If there is still an error, you can adjust again. This is a hexagonal type, which allows for a lot of adjustment. If the angle is too large, disconnect and rotate counterclockwise. If the angle is too small, disconnect and rotate clockwise.